Tired of worn-out carpets? Dreaming of sturdy and striking vinyl flooring? Mr. Handyman offers an exciting solution with high-quality vinyl flooring installations and more. Our expert installation, broad selection of vinyl flooring patterns, and exquisite workmanship. Enhance your home's aesthetic, increase property value, and savor our hassle-free installation experience. Don't just take our word for it. Our satisfied customers vouch for our unmatchable services. Wait no more. Contact us at 405-276-5332. Dial 405-276-5332 for limited time installation slots. Mr. Handyman of SI, Oklahoma City, and Norman is committed to making your vinyl dreams come true. Mr. Handyman guarantees a vinyl flooring experience that pays for itself. Ring us at 405-276-5332 and start the transformation today.